Welcome to our channel, Tiny Thinkers. Today we are going to learn about the basics of board game chess. A beginner's chess workbook. Chess is a game of war, invented over 1,300 years ago in the country of India under the name Chaturanga. Over the years, it changed names, the rules changed, and eventually became the chess we know today. Chess is a battle of the minds. Two people face off against each other on a checkered 64-square board, each controlling their own 16-piece army, one white, one black, their armies consisting of one king, one queen, two rooks, two bishops, two knights, and 8 pawns. The goal of chess is to checkmate your opponent's king. Checkmate occurs when the checked king is unable to escape check from the opposing army. However, before we go deeper, we need to learn more about chess pieces and the board itself. There is only one correct way to set up the chessboard. Always remember to have a white square on the bottom right corner and the queens on their corresponding colors. In the diagram above, the white queen is on the square D1, the black queen on square D8. Remember, always have a white rook start on the square H1 and a black rook start on H8. There are 6 different chess pieces. First one we are going to see is king. Next one we are going to see is queen. Next one we are going to see is rook or elephant. Next one we are going to see is bishop. Next one we are going to see is knight. Last one we are going to see is pawn. Each piece also has a relative value on the chess scoring system. Pieces with higher numbers have higher value. King infinite, queen 9, rook 5, bishop 3, knight 3, pawn 1. First we will see about the pawn. The pawn is the lowly foot soldier of the army. It has the lowest value on the chess scoring system, 1 point. Each side starts with 8 pawns. A pawn can only move 1 square forwards at a time. However, on its first move, it may move 2 squares if desired. Otherwise, the pawn only gets to advance 1 square each move. The arrows indicate where each white pawn can move. Notice that the pawn on C2 is the only one that is able to advance 2 squares. Capturing with pawns. The pawn is unique because it is the only chess piece that captures differently than its regular move. A pawn may capture an opposing piece that is diagonally ahead 1 square and then take its place. The pawn is unique because it is the only chess piece that captures differently than its regular move. A pawn may capture an opposing piece that is diagonally ahead 1 square and then take its place. The white pawn has captured the knight on E5. Special pawn rules. Pawn promotion. When a pawn reaches the end of the board, they may promote and become either a knight, bishop, rook, or queen. A pawn may promote to any of those 4 pieces regardless of what is still on the chessboard. On its next move, the white pawn on A7 will reach the end of the board. On its next move, the white pawn on A7 will reach the end of the board. Then, it must promote to a knight, bishop, rook, or queen. White has promoted the lowly foot soldier to a queen, the most powerful chess piece. In the next session, We will learn about the interesting special move of en passant, 4 pawns, and also learn about other chess pieces' strengths. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.